Section 1. The need for speed. We all want it, but at what cost? We all crave that magic pill, that quick fix that will melt away the pounds overnight. The reality? Sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Crash diets and extreme measures promise fast results, but they often come with a hefty price tag. Your health. You risk nutritional deficiencies, muscle loss, and a slowed metabolism. What's worse? These approaches are rarely sustainable. You might lose weight initially, only to gain it back, and often more, when you can't maintain the restrictive regime. So, how do we reconcile our need for speed with the importance of a healthy approach? The key is to find a balance between effective strategies and your well-being. It's about making smart choices that support your body, not punish it. Let's get started. Section 2. Fast fat loss, fix myth or reality. The idea of a fast fat loss fix is alluring, but it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. The truth is, rapid weight loss is possible, but it requires a multifaceted approach that goes beyond fad diets and miracle products. One common myth is that drastically cutting calories is the fastest way to lose weight. When you severely restrict calories, your body goes into survival mode, slowing down metabolism and clinging to fat stores. Another misconception is that all exercise is created equal when it comes to burning fat. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective for boosting metabolism and torching calories. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the science behind fat loss, you can make informed choices that support your goals. Section 3. Your 5-minute guide to sustainable weight loss. Let's face it, we lead busy lives. You might be thinking, who has time for elaborate meal plans and hours at the gym? The good news is, you don't need to overhaul your entire life to see results. Small changes, consistently applied, can add up to significant weight loss over time. Start by setting realistic goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Next, focus on making gradual changes to your diet. Swap sugary drinks for water, choose whole grains over refined carbs, and incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals. Don't underestimate the power of protein. Include a source of protein with every meal, such as lean meats, fish, beans, or lentils. Finally, find ways to move your body for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. This doesn't have to mean hitting the gym. You can go for a brisk walk, take the stairs instead of the elevator, or simply dance around your living room. Remember, consistency is key. Section 4. Fueling the fire. Nutrition tips for rapid results. When it comes to shedding fat quickly, what you put into your body is just as important as how you move it. By making strategic choices, you can fuel your body for fat loss while still enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. Ditch the processed junk. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Prioritize protein at every meal. Protein helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Don't forget about hydration. Water is crucial for countless bodily functions, including metabolism and fat burning. Section 5. Exercise essentials. Maximizing your workout for fat burning. Exercise is a cornerstone of any successful weight loss journey. To maximize your fat burning potential, incorporate a combination of cardio and strength training into your routine. Cardio, such as running, swimming, or biking, helps you burn a significant amount of calories during the workout. Strength training is essential for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. HIIT workouts alternate between short bursts of intense activity and brief recovery periods, highly effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. Find activities you love and make them a regular part of your routine. Section 6. Beyond the finish line, maintaining your hard-earned success. You've put in the hard work, shed those unwanted pounds, and now it's time to shift your focus to maintaining your incredible results. By adopting healthy habits as a lifestyle rather than a temporary fix, you can enjoy long-term success. Consistency is key. The same healthy habits that helped you lose weight will also help you keep it off. Continue to prioritize a balanced diet rich in whole foods, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. Don't be afraid to indulge occasionally. Depriving yourself completely can lead to cravings and overeating. Allow yourself a small treat now and then to stay satisfied and prevent feelings of deprivation. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, and that's perfectly normal. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Celebrate your success. Acknowledge how far you've come and be proud of yourself for making your health a priority.